Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up your Rokid Max to AR. So first things first, open on your phone the QR scanner, and in user manual on the first page we have the QR code that you need to scan, and then open the app, install it and open. In account, right here click to log in. As you can see, I am already logged in, and hit station. The device are not added. Log in with the same account on both station and app to add device. So now we need a station. I have a station right here, so hit the power button and hold it. And after a couple of seconds, the station should power on. Okay, I needed to wait a little for the station to charge up. And now when it is right here, when it's lit, you can connect your glasses on one side and your station on the other. Now it will be really hard to show you anything because you would need to see through the glasses, but after both things are set up, I see the swing up and down, and now with the station you will choose the application, and it just works as a pilot for TV remote. So now we need to go to the App Store, and I have no current network available, so I will need first to connect with the network. When you go into the Rokid App Store, there just log in, and as you can see, now I am logged in on my phone, the app, and the station. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.